Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another trade recap of fourth week of the month and of the year. This week was actually really bad. Price action was trash. I actually took some trash trades, and yeah, I came out 0 and 2 this week. I lost like two trades. It's because of my fault and Trump's fault too, because of the shitty price action he put us in. But yeah, that's not an excuse. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the two trades I took this week. So the first trade was actually taken on Tuesday, 21st of January. So on the 15-minute time frame, I had like this good looking liquidity marked out. It was like pretty good, but yeah, I have my timer, like the notification on when price crosses above it. So when I did saw the notification, I went to the 1 minute time frame and let me relocate myself. So over here, where is it? Yeah, over here. I went to the 1 minute time frame when I saw the sweep, and there was like some bad. Like the sweep was actually really bad. Like as you can see, price didn't even come down, and it just consolidated above the line so much. And where did I took my trade? I don't remember even remember. I think it was based off this inverse fair value gap and this fair value gap, I guess. So yeah, I think yeah this and price created like a fair value gap actually really fast. So I was thinking maybe this is a good sign, but the point was that price actually moved so much when it crossed above the sweep and it never came back. Like yeah, it had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, it was like 30 minutes of consolidation above the line, and like 15 to 10 minutes like when I entered the trade. So I think I should have not entered. But anyways, I entered with these two confluence over here. I had like an inverse fair value gap, which I never got closed like below. So I had that marked because I was working and the actual trade was with this fair value gap. But anyways, I saw like the reaction. Now I was thinking, yeah, maybe this is a good trade. I entered over here, have my stops like on over here. I think it was this actually. Yeah, whatever it was, but it was like somewhere here, or on the top of the fair value gap. And my take profit was like on a 5 minute fair value gap, I think. Let me actually be sure because I don't remember pro properly. Yeah, it was like, let me see, it was like a 5 minute fair value gap top which I was targeting, and it did go hit, but way after, I think it did come back down. Wait, let me see what is even going on. 23rd, I took another trade on 21st, which was, yeah, price did came like down, but it first took out this like 5 minute liquidity, I guess, and then did we had an entry? I mean, there is this fair value gap which got disrespected. And no, there's no like entry point either. I mean, I could have entered by this fair value gap, tap in. Good reaction, I guess. This over here. Stops will be over here. Target this over here. That will be like a 1.5 RR, which is actually pretty good. I guess my mistake over here was like the point I should take out from here was choppy price action after the sweep. Like it was not choppy, but like the sweep was not valid. And if you saw in the beginning, the 50-minute continued on an uptrend. It didn't even care what happened. Like it didn't even like swept. It was like a liquidity run instead of a liquidity sweep. Yeah, as you can see there. We were on a like a massive uptrend on the 15 minutes. So yeah, I guess it was a bad trade by me. And I did sell something else. I guess it was like this liquidity sweep of this over here. But the liquidity, as you can see over here, was not like good looking, so that's why I never took it. But if I did took it, it will be like a really valid trade. Let me show you. So going on to the 1 minute time frame after price closed below the line, we did create some fair value gap, if I remember correctly. Yeah, we had this tiny little fair value gap. We saw a go reaction over here. Stops will be on the reaction, and target will be like, let's just say this or this. Either way, it will be a really really good trade. Like, unless if I targeted and went greedy for this, even this will be like really valid. But yeah, that was the first trade I took this week. So going to the second trade, which was on Thursday, 23rd of January. I think I got unlucky over here. Let's see again. So on the 15-minute time frame, I had this liquidity marks over here. Wait, did we had news? I think after we had news. Let's see. I don't remember, but I do remember the price action was really bad, and I did send my like my liquidity setup to the group chat on Discord, and everyone said I should not take a trade, and I still managed to take a trade because I could not hold myself back. We had like this sweep over here. It was like a valid sweep, I guess. It was actually a really valid sweep because even 1 minute candle closed above the line. And yeah, I think this was news. It looks news. I don't really know. Oops. So I saw the sweep. I saw a fair value gap. I saw. I think the takeaway from here was like the price action overall was really bad, and the fair value gap reaction was really late. I entered over here. Um, as you can see, we should see a reaction, if not on the first candle, then on the second candle. Like this candle over here, or this maximum would had been a good reaction, but we saw a reaction really late. I think that was my mistake over here, and I was targeting like 5 minute fair value gap. I think. No, it was like 15 minute fair value gap, low of the 15 minute fair value gap, I think. Let me see. Where is it? I don't remember. Yeah, it was this over here. Wait, I'm getting confused. Um, yeah, I don't remember what it was. It was like a 15 minute. Yeah, it was like a 15 minute fair value gap. A bearish 15 minute fair value gap. So yeah, I took another like loss there. Yeah, that's what I learned, that not trade on stupid price action and not take a trade when price already consolidated few minutes above the line above or below the line I have marked. Yeah, I'm like going to my journal over here. I'm like 5 and 5, I think, this month. No, I'm like 4 losses and 5 wins this month. I guess I'm still profitable, but still not a good record. Before it was amazing because I was like 5 and 2. Um. Anyways, let's go to our journal. EU 21st of the month. Price was choppy after sweep, and it took forever to create a fair value gap. Also, price went like so much above the line. Yeah, I guess. Um, you can see the screenshot over here. There's no need to explain more. You guys know. And then going to the other tray, which um yeah, I should not have taken a tray at all this day, but it is what it is. Overall, daily price action was really bad. Should have taken a trade. Should not have taken a trade. Going again to that trade. Let me show you the 15 minute price action, which was Yeah, it was not clean by any means, I guess. I think I could have taken a trade over here, but the liquidity was actually looking really bad. Let me see on the 5 minute how it looks. Yeah, it looks really bad. Like no one, I think no one will actually mark that liquidity unless they're like beginners. No, wait, let me see if there was setup by that. Um, Actually, never mind me. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. This week, two losses. There's nothing I can do, but I hope actually come back next week. But it's gonna be it for today. Um, yeah, I'll see you guys next time.